There, you can see it back there, the helicopter landing. Welcome to the Southeast Old Threshers reunion in Denton, North Carolina. It's probably the biggest tractor show I've ever been to. It's the biggest one in the South, and supposedly takes a few days to go through the entire thing. I'm only gonna be here the one day, and I don't have a full battery on my phone. I didn't plug it in the whole time, so I'm gonna get it as best as I can. Here we go with all these tractors. Tram. Hey, looky here. Lemonade, orangeade, homemade brooms. There goes the train. Got some teepees set up. Blacksmith shops all closed up. They're pretty big. Got some horses. Nice covered wagon. See, I think we need a bigger one. An old plow. Some old cotton gin. Welcome to my lodge. Please come in. Cool. Very cool. It's very hot. It's about 100 degrees out today. Oh, there's an old house. Here's a Leland tractor. They're English version from Great Britain, United Kingdom, whatever. I almost bought one of these before, sitting in a field covered with weeds and trees, and I offered the guy $250 for it. He told me to make him an offer, and I made him an offer, and he never spoke to me again after that. It's a 1979 Leland T37 374. 1960 Cub Cadet. John Deere Ford. Here's a Pullen Farm All H. Very 4th of July. Here's a Snapper. Super A. A Cub and a bunch of Cub Cadets over here. Ford 3000. Oh, walks fast. Tractors and trains. That's cool. A wheel horse. 1980 wheel horse. Hills. Farm All B. Ooh, looky here, looky here. This thing is cool. This is just a fat little chubby little Cub Cadet made in the Super C, Super Duper C. I think it's cool. Somebody put a lot of work and money into this. I'm gonna try to go down that road too, but International 2606. See, there's a whole lot of tractors here. Alice Chalmers riding mower, Massey Ferguson's. There's a wheel horse, 1966. Another one. Cub with a belly mower, Super A, 1948, 1953 Cub. Oliver 550, Alice Chalmers CA, Cub Cadet, 1968, John Deere H, John Deere LA. Look at that thing. Fords and Dexta, David Brown, Hinomoto, never heard of that one. Hinomoto. More Cubs, and here's an old John Deere 110, 1964. 140 Farmall, bunch of Fords, Ford 4000, 5000, and 7000. Cool. What's this one here? Ford 3400. There's a Farmall M with a nice covered wagon behind it. Cub Cadet with a nice little cart. Simplicity. Cub Lowboy. Massey Ferguson's. Real nice Ford 8N, 1950. Farmall 100. Sears Suburban with a belly grater on it. So here's a whole bunch of Farmalls and a couple Alice Chalmers. There's an Alice Chalmers C. A little pulling wheel horse. Alice Chalmers D10. McCormick Deering back there. A Farmall M and a C beside it. John Deere A. Alice Chalmers. Farmall 450. Super HTA. Torque amplifier. North Chapter 42 International Harvester. There we go. Cub Cadets. Cub Lowboy, 1956. A Farmall B with 2-seater. Cub. WD-45 Alice Chalmers. There you go. Farmall 504. Farmall Super MV. I believe that's Colton Lloyd's tractor. And Shawnee found her favorite, the pink one. Pink case. 1951 Case T43. Pink on one side, red on the other. Husband and wife. Is that what you want? A pink and red tractor?
No.
What do you want?
An all pink one.
An all pink one?
Yeah.
Oh. Nice cub with a manure spreader. Super AV Farmall. Let's go look at that one. There's a Farmall Super AV high crop. International pickup 908. More cubs. $464. Super A. Alice Chalmers IB 1953. Got some homemade ice cream over there with a hit and miss engine. And look at that thing over there. All the cowboy boots you can want. Some more tractors up here. Bunch of garden tractors, wheel horses, Cub Cadets, Alice Chalmers, Sears, Pennsylvania Panzer. Bunch of Cub Cadets. A little Simplicity. This one's cool. What's this one? Sears Suburban 1966. There's a narrow front, well, single front wheel B Farmall with 2 seats on it. Buddy seat. It's pretty cool. Really nice Cub Cadet 1650 hydro. All these cubs. Let's look here. Farmall B. Little Cub Lowboy. John Deere 214, 316, 316. Speed X. Whole bunch of Hot Wheels. There's a 314 back there, John Deere. John Deere 110. Look at them old tires on the front. Farmall Cub. WC. Here's an Alice Chalmers RC. Never heard of that one before. Got the handbrakes on it. Yeah. These right here are handbrakes on either side that don't have foot brakes, just a clutch. And that lever up on the right there is to lift the implements up and down. Oliver 70. Alice Chalmers. Farmall C. Has the IH instead of Farmall on it. That's probably a Super C. 1949. No, it's regular. It doesn't have the water pump. Oliver Row Crop 66. Case 267. Massey Harris. Ford 4000 narrow front. Ford 740. So we got here Ford 120. That's pretty nice looking. Super A Farmall. That Ford 4000 got a nice carry-all on the back. You got a nice little cart on the back of that UTV. Ford 1920. There's Ford with a roof on it. It's your Alice Chalmers 1600, a big old loader on it. Minneapolis 1730 Type B 1926. Twin City Tractor, Hyder, Rock Island Plow Company, (1918) Model C Hyder. (1929) McCormick Deering 2236. Alrighty, my phone got too hot and the camera shut off for about half hour and I couldn't make any video, but here we go again. Bunch of John Deere here. Farm all section. Some more John Deeres over there. A Ford 8N with a bar top on it. Here, wait, I'll have to throw stuff away. I didn't intend on filming all that, I'm sorry. John Deere 630 propane. .30, 430. Cub. What's this new right here? 1960 Springfield GT 105. Leader. Cub Cadets. 1935 KC. Rules on the back. 1953 Alice Chalmers WD 45. There's some more horses over yonder. John Deere. What we got here? Farmall Super H. Farmall M. John Deere 4320 diesel. That's cool. Look at that big tractor. There you go. Happy 4th of July. 240th birthday of America. Here's some implements from the Cub Barn. International 3588. Nice red dually. Here are a couple big old deers. There's the Moore's Outdoors Cub. 1971 International Cub, owned by Gavin Moore from the Moore's Outdoors, Double J Farms Homestead. Ooh, look at what's behind it over there. Look at that old Ford. Ooh-wee. A nice belly mower on it. Power King, 4-wheel drive. Ferguson 35. Ford. John Deere 420. Farmall Super C. There's the tram going again. What's this right here? Some kind of a pit. There we go. A really nice Farmall Super H. And an M. This drawbar on the back. That John Deere over there with the cart behind it. It's cool. 1942 Ford 9N. Simplicity and a Boland's home light. John Deere. 2 more Ford 8Ns. There's John Deere with a rake on the back. 730 diesel. Look at that one. Multi-power. There's a whole bunch of garden tractors. A John Deere 210 Tiger tractor. Duals on it. That's cool. Sears Suburban 12 horsepower. Whole bunch of them here. I need to get one of these with a belly mower on it for the landscape business. Look at that Boland's back there. So I've seen that at other shows. It's a working replica of this one right here. Bunch of John Deere. There's a little John Deere. Here's an old doctor's buggy. Another one right here beside it. Doorway Laundry. Cool. That's John Deere, eh? John Deere 2010, narrow front. Little John Deere. John Deere 318, I had one of them. 1985. I'm not sure what that thing is, but it's cool. And let's walk down yonder. $560 M. Ford 5000. Looky here, looky here. That's something I've never seen before. Farmall M. I don't know what them tires are. So here, let's take a look. $1941. Factory built sheep's foot attachment. Originally bought and used by North Carolina Highway Department for compacting road construction projects. So it's for compacting. So it's a roller pretty much. And it's cool. Look at that F-250 back there, man. This is a perfect picture. Them 3 Fords there in front of that perfect F-250. Perfect picture. Bunch of farmalls over there. Looks like a Super C wide front. I'm gonna get that later. 140, 830 John Deere. Cub Cadets. It's Chalmers. $30.20. There's some John Deere's. There's a Beaver Satch. I've never heard of that. 1970 T463 Sato Beaver Satch. Cool. Alice Chalmers WD. BH. John Deere A. Ford's Super Dexta. Ford Super Dexta 1964. Sarah Suburban. And up there on top of the hill, they got a bunch of horses. I don't know what they're doing up there. They have all kinds of attachments up there. Yeah, they have the horse pull today at 4 o'clock. Yep, so that's probably what? The horse pull up there at 4 o'clock today. Farmall Super M. Farmall 140. A Cub. John Deere 70. Wheel Horse GT14 1967. It's a big one. What's this one here? John Deere 2630. Farmall Cub. Cormac Farmall Cub. An all pink one. 1963. $108. Bunch of C's. Loving memory of Wayne Bescher. That's here. A Super C with a loader. The wide front. There's that M again. McCormick Super WD9. Super MD. There's a Super MTA over here. There's the Yanmar. Here's a 1954 Super MTA. F12 with a sickle bar mower. F14. There you go. Oliver 1655. Farmall F30 high crop. F30 regular. That's pretty rare to see, I think. F20. Real nice F20. Case Farmall. $10.66. It's for the Case IH Farmall 100 years. Very first Farmall, the regular. Right here. It's a 1923 Farmall regular. All steel wheels. Here's a view from the seat. $19.29 Farmall. $19.36 Farmall. Right there's a 2024. Here's F12 with the sickle bar on it. Alrighty. I have a whole lot more tractors to go. I don't know how far I'm gonna get. Lemonade stand. Got some steam engines over there. Farmall. What that is, Daytona. I like the color. That's a cool car. A big wheel spinning. International. There, that thing. Inside one of the buildings here. Big tire. Alice Chalmers. Memory of Sergeant Alvin York. That's a thermos. Fan sure feels good. Some steam engines out here. This thing over here. That's different. The guys are manufactured. Oil pull. There we go. There's a big Baker steam engine. So I saw a whole bunch of these at the Carthage show last year. This might be one of the same ones. It's like an old Model 8 Ford dually. That car. That's cool. There's a big oil pull. .314 John Deere. Look at this one. Ain't she purty?
Alright folks, it's 1:45 again. 30% chance you see us subscribe.
94 degrees outside at 1:43 p.m.
So I'm going to remind you again to hide
1937 John Deere A. Where is she? What she's doing down there? Farmall Super A and a Ford 601 Workmaster. John Deere A or B. There's the machine shop in there. Old gas station. SO pumps. Shoe repair. Old church. Museum and general store. Greyhounds. They have some brand new RVs here on display. What do you think? Say it's lunchtime, ham and cheese sandwich. So here we go. Homemade ice cream. Got some homemade vanilla ice cream in a waffle cone. 2 homemade chocolate. That is very, very good ice cream. Very good. Steam shovel. There's a camping area. Whole bunch of tractors all down throughout there. Here's the train station. It's a good picture. Train station. Wish they'd start that up and start moving dirt. That'd be cool. There's an MD. Yep. Normal MD. That's real cool. There's moving 12. So we're gonna go on the handy dandy railroad. So we're sitting all the way back in the caboose. There we go. There they go. Steam shovel. Very cool. Look at this pulling tractor right here. A Chevy engine in it, Chevy V8. BF Avery, Alice Chalmers WD-45. It's not the size of the tractor, it's how you use it. Alice Chalmers, all steel wheels, that's pretty. Look at this one. WD Alice Chalmers pulling tractor. John Deere 60 on propane. Never saw a Chinese food truck before. Goodman's Towing and Hauling. IB. Hi. This thing's cool. There's a giraffe. Horse. Oh. Ford 4000. There's a few Minneapolis Molines there. Down there's a big steam engine with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bottom plow on it. Right there. Pennsylvania Panzer with a nice flatbed trailer. They win. 1937B, 1937A, John Deere A and B. Very cool. Very nice farm all H. There we go. A fifth wheel trailer on it. And here's the Kubota dealerships set up. And brand new Kubotas. Brand new zero turns. There's the church. Back there's H with only one front wheel, but mount for two. Look at this cool old truck over here. Farmer Luke's Equipment REO Speedwagon. There you go. Hey, look at that tractor. Tractor. Say hi. Look at that one. That's for sale too. If you want this REO Speedwagon, right there's the phone number. John Deere's. Not gonna walk back all the lanes back there. That one right there is a 4020 diesel. Right there with the yellow roof. Little errands. That 1256 Farmall with the big meaty tires. Massey Harris, Super M. There's a Pullin M. Super A. Bunch of pulling tractors. Case SC. Farmall Cub. There's a John Deere 301A. It's a cool looking little tractor. Here, I want to go back there. It's that cool little tractor. And the bench on the back of it. Here, Super MTA on propane. Torque amplifier. Very cool. What's this little John Deere? 2040. It's a whole bunch of tractors. John Deere 720, John Deere 60. I know my great grandfather had a 60, maybe a 52. I know he had a 60 at least. Well, my phone's at 5%. That's it. It's gonna die. This is the video for today at the Southeastern Old Thresher Southeastern Old Threshers reunion. It's 100 degrees out. We've been here a few hours. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tip, comment. Have a great day.